Action.
Hi, I'm Major Mike, and welcome to Mikey Madness.
And Joe.
And Joe. We gotta
And
come
Joe.
up with something for him. Really do.
No.
Yeah, we need
There's
something.
nothing.
We need something. Okay, so we're doing Goldman Railway, which, in my personal opinion, is actually the best map. I just like this map a lot.
Yeah, it has everything that you kind of want.
Yeah, sort of the all-around map. No team killing. Yeah, like that.
I wish.
I wish.
I
like Mojo. Like that.
What the fuck?
No team killing. You stupid. Hey! No team killing. No team killing. That just mean team kill, please. Ow! God, Joe! You asshole!
Got kill! Woo!
Yeah, I'm sure it was so hard.
It was hard. I had to tell you the entire time.
Gosh.
Worth it.
I'm just gonna fly anything that becomes available.
Best way to use jets. Oh look, it's that jet.
You gonna shoot me down with that too?
Yeah. Actually, never mind. I can't because someone else took it. Where are you?
I'm not over. Hey! Hey! I saw that!
Yeah! Whoa!
No team killing!
Technically, didn't kill you, just saying, man.
He tripped me up and essentially killed me. So yeah, he team killed me. He pushed me.
2 for 2.
He shot me out of the air.
2 for 2.
We're just GTA now.
Yeah, man. Punch you right in the... Oh shit, there's tanks.
I'm so tempted. Damn, do it.
You're lucky that there was like 10 other things that were shooting at me. You were so lucky there was like 10 other things shooting at me. It's like, this is a battle of like who's gonna get kicked first.
That is right, maybe. Oh, he's got a cool emblem. No, I shall fight serious. Just get that out of my system.
Boom! Vehicle destroyed! Fuck you, attack jet!
Good try this.
Thank you, tank. Thank you,
I'm gonna
tank.
take a base with this. Long as someone! Yo, they're shooting at you.
I know. I need help. I needed help.
I can't help you. I'm gonna transport helicopters, no gunners.
Okay, that sucks.
I'm kind of just flying around, taking a tour of the airspace.
That's nice. Sure.
Yeah, enjoying the scenery.
That's nice.
It's always nice to enjoy the scenery. You know, appreciate the pretty graphics. And explosions so low. This is like one of the harder races to do. And nice and gently. I careen into the building. Gently.
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 Got it! I think we should just give up on this.
I'm not giving up on this.
We're gonna die.
Okay, we're going to a different base. Fuck that base. Screw that plan.
Yeah.
We're taking the train. See the train?
Okay.
Taking it. The train's ours. As I slowly glide down towards it and pray I don't get shot by it. There's a guy! He's right there!
I'm trying to... I have to reload!
Crawl over the train. Then, damn it, how much got it?
Kill assist, yay!
Yay. Fish bait. Oh, no, don't shoot at me!
No, got him, Bill. You ran me over.
I did?
Yes.
Ha! Gotcha. Not intentionally, but I...
You wanna run that by me again, boy?
You shouldn't have bailed out. I captured it. I captured that freaking thing.
You better run away. I'm coming after your ass.
swear to God, Joe.
At least I'm doing it kind of skillfully.
I'm gonna fly really close to the ground. If you come at me, I will force you to crash into the ground. Dude, he's right there!
I'm on the ground!
Oh, damn. He must have tried this already. If I had a scout helicopter, sir. If I had a scout helicopter, sir.
That was a short one, so... We can probably go for one more.
Good.
That one was a really short one.
That was really short.
That was definitely just us goofing off.
Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't do anything too stupid.